Oh, hello guys. My name is Labo Emmanuel and they call me the Pips Prophet. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a rundown on the analysis in preparation for the NFP, which is on Friday. Okay, remember it's the first Friday of every month. So, of course, we are right here on the chart this morning. Let's head on to Euro USD. And of course, for the week, yesterday was Tuesday, so we're supposed to get our entry, as I always do, during the late New York session. But then something happened yesterday, which of course we got our sweep on liquidity above this equal highs, right? um, After the New York session, right? So we took our sell, we took our short right here, and of course, price actually sold. Okay, it sold off. To let's say 50% of our entry. Yeah, we took partials yesterday. So the market retested back, cleared out this high, this equal highs this morning during the London session, right? So I didn't take yeah, in one of my accounts I took my day trading account, I took my short right here because the objective is to get to this higher time frame objective right here, which we have a pool of liquidity here and also a fair value gap below it. Okay. So that was exactly what we did for the week, right? Remember that Friday is NFP. So of course on Friday, that's why we're having a long sense of uh, a consolidation, right? The market has been consolidating all through, right? So let's see what the NFP is going to result into, whether it's going to be a buy or a sell. Okay, but we're going to sideline that is going to give us a signal following today and tomorrow. Okay, what the market does will depend how it's going to inform how we're going to position ourselves for the rest of the week. Okay. So long term, yeah, this was the trade we took today during the New York session, during the London session rather. Yeah, we're still in the London session. This is the ending late London session, right? We took our entry right here. As soon as we saw the liquidity on the previous day high, yeah, we took our shot here because our ultimate objective is to sell. Okay, this was a fake out right here. A lot of retail traders will think that the market is going to keep buying from here, but I was just seeing it as a retest, okay, into premium region, okay, for me to sell. I sold and to profit right below this liquidity pool right here at the market delivered. So right now I'm not going to take no entry. Now all I'm going to wait for is perhaps a retracement into a point of interest, and as soon as I see a sweep on liquidity again above any of the previous highs during the late New York session, I'm going to take my shot. And the objective is going to be right here, this very target right here. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. My objective, remember, is a sell, is a short, it's a short. So a few minutes, few seconds from now, I'm going to go to the higher time frame and you will see the reason why I am seeing a sell right here on Euro USD. Okay, so let's head on to the 1 day. Um, First, let's go to the weekly time frame so that you see on the macro lens what's happening. Okay, now this is the weekly of the Euro USD. What can you see here? You can see a very strong rejection right here. Okay, to the downside. Oh yes, that is what I can see here. So this is sending a signal to you. When you narrow down, you see that there's a what shift. There's a market shift right here on the weekly time frame. Here, the market has been buying all the way from January to this point. So January, February, March, right? April, 3 months. Okay, so we are about to experience a market shift. All right, to the downside. Okay, to retrace into this region. Okay, into this region. We need to see a retracement before we continue bullish, right? but then the overall trend right here, we want to know what the overall trend is. And of course, is the word sell trend, right? This is our trend line, and we can see that the market has been selling over time. At this point, the market failed to respect the trend and broke the trend, right? So we're hoping to see a retracement, a sell into the zone, into a premium, into a discount region, not premium, right? So that we can be able to buy. All right, so we will be expecting a sell following this strong rejection. Where did the rejection reach out for? The pool of liquidity right here. And then because there's a fair value gap here, so it's a very high objective. Price tapped into that and a strong rejection to the downside. So we are hoping to see a sell, okay, into a discount area, okay. So DXY, of course, we started our analysis from the DXY, and the inverse is what the DXY is doing on the weekly time frame. Yeah, you see that break right here, okay. And then obviously the inverse, the inverse is what the DXY, which is the dollar index is doing. Okay. So guys, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. So on the dollar index, we're seeing a buy because price is of course reacting off this region. There's a mitigation block right here. So if we mark out this, we're going to get this mitigation block, a failure swing here. Price broke structure here, retested back, right? It tested back into range, and then we hope to see a bullishness, right? So likewise the euro USD, we are doing the inverse, guys. We're doing the inverse, right? We are doing the inverse. We are doing the inverse. This is what we see. This was the break right here. Sorry, I took this because I didn't really pay attention to the left hand side. Okay. This was the break right here. This was the mitigation block right here. And what do we see, guys? Price it turned into a premium level. So I am seeing this as a premium range, okay, to continue the sell to the downside. Okay. All right. So let's see what the market is going to do. All right. So, but for now, what we are looking to see is to see that after the New York session, during the late New York session, or during the New York session or the late New York session, the market gives us a reason to sell, right? The market gives us a reason to sell. Perhaps the market should reach out into the premium level so we can sell. It could be a premium level of the 1 hour time frame, which is this region right here, right? This region right here. The price may buy into that region, then we sell off. So let's just see what's gonna happen later. So I'll keep you guys updated. Cheers and good trading. And I wish you good trading and God bless you. Cheers.